Hey there, fellow developers! Today, I'm breaking down the software development lifecycle, or SDLC. This is the backbone of every successful software project, guiding us from a simple idea all the way to a fully functioning application. First up, we have planning. This phase is all about setting the stage. We define the project scope, establish goals, and figure out what's feasible. We also identify risks, resources, timelines, and budgets to ensure we're on the right track. Next, we dive into requirement analysis. Here we gather all the functional and non-functional requirements and craft a detailed software requirement specification, or SRS document. This is our blueprint for what the software should do. Then comes design. This is where the architecture and system design come into play. We focus on UI/UX design, database design, and the structuring of different modules to ensure everything fits together seamlessly. Now the fun part, implementation or coding. Developers roll up their sleeves and start writing the actual code. Following best practices, coding standards, and version control is crucial at this stage to maintain code quality and manage changes effectively. After coding, it's time for testing. We perform various tests including unit, integration, system, and user acceptance testing. Bugs are identified and fixed to ensure the final product is up to the mark and ready for deployment. Speaking of deployment, this is where the software is released to production or to users. Necessary setup and monitoring are done to ensure a smooth launch. Lastly, we have maintenance. This phase includes providing updates, fixing bugs, and adding enhancements. Continuous monitoring is also vital to address any performance issues or security vulnerabilities. Now let's talk about different SDLC models. The waterfall model is a sequential approach where each phase depends on the completion of the previous one. Simple but not very flexible. The agile model, on the other hand, is iterative and flexible, promoting continuous feedback and improvements. Perfect for projects needing adaptability. In the V model, each development stage has a corresponding testing phase, ensuring early detection of issues. The iterative model develops the software incrementally, allowing for frequent revisions and improvements. The spiral model focuses on risk assessment and iterative development, making it ideal for complex projects. Lastly, the DevOps model combines development and operations for continuous integration and deployment, streamlining the workflow. Each model has its own advantages depending on the project requirements, complexity, and business needs. So there you have it, a quick overview of the software development lifecycle. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, understanding SDLC can help you deliver better software, faster. Thanks for watching.